In problem 10, it says the fluctuation of water depth at a pier is shown in the figure below. One of the following values gives the positive difference between the greatest water depth and the least water depth, shown in this graph. What value is it? So what's the water doing? So at 6 a.m., the water is 12 feet deep. Then 6 hours later, at noon, it's at 6. And then 12 hours later, at 6 p.m., it's back up to 12 feet deep. And then at 6 a.m., noon, 6 p.m., midnight, it's back down to 6 again. Now the question is, what do we want? The positive difference, so we want a positive number, between the greatest water depth and the least water depth. So what's the greatest water depth? That would be 12. That's the high point on the graph. What's the least water depth? 6. So we want the difference between 12 and 6. What we're asking is how far apart are these two numbers? And so these two numbers are 6 feet apart. That's their distance, or what we call the difference between them. So for number 10, our answer is G.